So today I have some new lighting to review. This is GVM. I was looking to upgrade some of my lighting because it's not very good. So my initial starting out lighting anyway. Alright, let's get in here. Let's take a look and see what we got. So we got our user manual. A little snack for later. Throw that away. Actually, you could save those for different things. So we got power cord, heavy duty power cord for this one, along with it a brick. So get this out of here. Well, that's part of the light. Definitely secure in that foam. So here it is. We got one large solid LED there. Heat sink. I don't know how much heat this is going to produce. DC in 30 volts. Power adjuster. Alright, so check it out. I got it all put together. I kind of want to go over a couple things, see if I can make it maybe a little easier for those that are trying to figure out how to put it together. So those metal rods, you're going to stick the larger piece into each hole around this ring. And it's easier to have this completely off of the light and put it on like on a table while you're doing it. But take the rod, put the larger piece through each one of those holes, run it through. There's a little like loop. And then in the Velcro, there's a little pocket. And you're just going to stick it in a pocket. As you put them together, it does get a little bit tougher, and it's not the easiest one to put together, that's for sure. But once you get it done, it's not as bad. Once you get it put together, then it kind of clicks on how it works. But other than that, it came out pretty nice. You do have your diffusers, so they just Velcro in, and then you just Velcro it all the way around. It also does come with a honeycomb one. So if that's something that you'd like to use, that is in the bag. I will show you how bright it gets and everything as well here in just a second. On the back side, you got your power here, you got your controller here. So as you turn it, you can turn it up from 0 to 100. And then if you want to use the app, just leave it right there at 0. That way it's kind of in like standby mode. But it does definitely get pretty bright. You can twist this here to adjust it as you wish. The tripod does go quite a bit higher, and it will go lower. I don't have much room right here. It's pretty bright. And you can see that the light will illuminate throughout the whole thing. The other softbox that I had just a center bulb that was just one of those large, like not incandescent, whatever that spiral one is. My mind's not working very well. And you would see a concentration right in the center. There is a code on the top, and it's also in the manual that you scan it with your phone, and then you get the app. Once you have the app all set up and everything, you will see it there. Just connect. And at this point, you'll be able to control the light through your phone, which is pretty cool. Let me turn it a little bit, that way it's not blinding the camera. So you'll be able to turn it up, turn it down. You could also power it on, power it up. There is a scene selection, so you can actually build scenes and stuff. I haven't done any of that yet, so it's not really something for me, but if it's for you, definitely. As you can see, it definitely works pretty well, and it does produce quite a bit of light. Overall, this light does work pretty well. I like the functionality. I like being able to control how dim or how bright it is. On the back of the light, when you're using the app, it will show the percentage up there. So if we turn it down, you'll see it adjusting on there. Anyway, this light does work pretty well. It's a lot better than what I had before. And if you're looking for a decent light, I would say that these are pretty good.